Noah approached the children playing by the village stream. He knelt down and spoke gently. "You little ones, do you know that the ark is ready for you too? Your parents may have followed the ways of the Nephilim, filling their lives with sin and rebellion, but you can choose differently. God loves you and has made a way for you to be saved. Tell your families to turn back to Him, to leave behind the evil of the giants, and to enter the ark before it's too late. The flood is coming, but the ark is here for all who will listen."